Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I've got this beautiful, sexy, solid brass bodied American Padlock Series 5560. This is into your regular American 5560, as you can tell. It's got a beautiful logo in the middle there. Do you guys see who that is? That's our homie, Snake Picks. And check out the key. Ooh, very nice. Oops. Beautiful. Let us wrap her up, stick her in. And let's open this up and see what's inside. Cool. Yeah, Snake, thank you very much for sending me this, man. Beautiful padlock. Really like it. I picked it and I took it apart before, and one of the springs got caught up in one of the chambers and I had to replace it. So I'm going to have to get a new brass 1100 spring to make this all uniform again. But for now I've got a little spring in there making it work. Okay. Sorry, I've got bad eyes. Oh, there it is. I apologize, guys. key pins. I was like, what the heck was that? That was number 5. Okay, that was key pin number 5. Okay. Zoom. Sorry guys, that was a little reflex. All right. All the springs are the same except for the one in number 1. That's the one that got snagged when I did a gutting before. Okay guys, there you have it. That is the American 5560. Let's get a close-up on the pins. Okay. There you have it, guys. Key pins 1, 2, 3, and 4 have some serrations on them. Number 5, nothing, because it's a shorter key pin. And then you got 1, 2, 3, and 4 serrated spools, and then number 5, just a serrated driver. All the springs were the same, brass springs, except for the one in 1. I had to put that in there because I snagged one of the originals. Alrighty, Rudy. That is all I got for you guys this time. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Snake, I appreciate you sending me this. There will be a link to Snake Picks' channel in the title of this video. Click on that. Go show him some love. He's got some really great content, and he's a super great guy. All of you guys watching, I appreciate you. We're at 390. 10 more. 10 away, and then I can finally have a 400 subscriber giveaway. So come on, guys. Let's get me up to 400. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Till next time, I'll catch you later.